This is part of the plan that I'm working on today, the setting of the foundation. I'm going to put concrete pads here where it calls for posts, because I'm not too crazy about this type of foundation. It's built on 4x4s like this and sawn off and nailed to the side. This is more of a shear force than a supporting force. I want my 2x8 sitting straight on 18x18 concrete blocks like I have down there now. So this is what I'm going to be working on. Apparently I need 12 of them, and this being the front corner where the doorway is, my cabin is actually facing like this over there. Alright, once again, while I read the plans like this is the front door. Mine is going to be sitting like this right here. Instead of the treated 4x4s that it calls for, I'm laying these 18x18 concrete pads out. I'm going to dig under them and put some crushed granite that I have sitting outside. I'm going to need to place 2 more right here and 1 in the center, 2 more on this side, and then 1 right here and 2 in there. All in all, I'll need 12 of those pads, and then if I want to put another one on top of them, I will need actually 24 in all. But I like that configuration a little bit better than the sawn 4x4s that's lifted up. I'm gonna level this out, and then I'm gonna measure off of here, somewhere around here, the center, measure off of there. But I'm going to start back here, so I can bring in a load of gravel, put 1 right there, could bring in more gravel, and then put the 1 that goes there, there, and there, bring in some more gravel, put 1 there, there, and there, and then the last one will go here. So that's what I plan on doing. Stick around. So I dug out a good hole there, probably about 3 inches deep, something close to that. Just the same size as that block, which are, let's see here, they're 14 inches wide. Going to fill that hole up with this granite over here, which I got plenty of right now. Put that block back on top of it and do the same with the rest of them. that about 11 more times, I'm good. Okay, I placed this corner one. Got it leveled out. And it's looking okay. Stretch a line level, do the same one to that corner over there. And then I could place that one in. What I did was set this stone first, and then I tried to level off of this stone to that stone over there. Come to find out, after I put my string down and checked the levels, this first stone is lower than the second stone by about an inch on the slope of this ground. So these stones are 3.5 inches thick. This stone is 1 inch off. So my solution is I'm going to dig another inch of gravel out from underneath here, set this stone in there, and set another one on top of it, instead of, what's the alternative? Putting more gravel underneath here and then trying to raise this stone, but then the gravel may come out from underneath it and wash away. So I think taking an inch of gravel out, putting this an inch down into the ground, and then putting another stone on top of that is a good solution. Let's find out. Corner number 3. This one is a little higher than the last one that I put in, which is the second one. Started in that corner, went over there, I came over here. A little bit of work. And now I'm going to do this one. I'm thinking that one is lower than this one here. So I'm going to get one block set, get them level, and then I'm going to have to correct that one. And then I'm going to go from there. Alright. Gotta get started on that one. Daytimes are wasting. The end of another day. Started off with this one over here. Dug down and set it out. Leveled it out with this one. Moved on to that one. And that one. I got this one put in. I just got finished with that one. So, sun's going down. And every time I attempt this, think about the Egyptians, and it's like, how did they do it? I don't know.